Hi everyone, so this is Neha, and I'm working in India before joining the Fortray, and I'm working as a social media marketing. And I'm excited to share that I have been selected for the role of junior information analyst at Elysium Healthcare. And I have been always passionate about technology, but I didn't have right skills or experience to break into the IT field. And I decided to join Fortray after I heard the data analyst program, and I definitely can say that this is one of the best decisions I have made. The courses were clear, practical, and gave me hand on experience that I needed to transition into my career. And I would like to thank Fortray. I was able to develop the skills required for the job and gain the confidence to land the first IT job as a data analyst. So thank you so much, and I highly recommend Fortray to anyone who is looking to break into an tech industry. Thank you.